Hello guys, welcome to Code Vedanam. Today we will learn how we can create this expandable card view in Android Studio with this very smooth animation. So without wasting much time, let's go for coding now. So first of all we have to add a card view. So just add a card view. We have two card views, material and simple Android X card view. So we just use card view for now, and width will be of match parent and height will be of wrap content. So now we add some corner radius to this card. So add a corner radius of 20 dp and card elevation of 10 dp. Now we add some content padding. So add a content padding of 20 dp. Now we need to add some margin so that it will look perfect. So margin of 20 dp. Yeah, it's look perfect. Now we need to add two text views in this card view. So for that we need to use a linear layout with orientation vertical. So add a linear layout with height and width of wrap content and orientation as vertical. Now add a text view with height and width of wrap content and text as the app name itself. You can use any string. So text size will be 32 sp and I will make it bold. So text style and bold. Now I add a text color. So text color and purple 500. Now add another text view for detailed text. So text view with height and width of wrap content and text will be dummy. I have a dummy string, so I am using that. You can use any text. So now set a text size of 18 sp. Now we need to give an ID to this text view so that we can find it and use it in the Java program. So give an ID here, ID, and I am giving it as details. Now for now make it a visibility cone. So as we want that whenever user clicks on the card, then this detailed text will be shown only. So for handling the click on the card view, we will just use on click method. Although it is deprecated, but for this time we can use it as we are just learning things. So I will create a method expand. Now just missed one thing. We need to give an ID to this layout also, so that we can add a transition to this layout. So giving ID as layout, and now we create reference for both text views and linear layout. So text view as detailed text, and linear layout as layout. Now we find out this both items. So detailed text equal to find view by ID and pass the ID here r.id.details. Now we find this layout. So layout equal to find view by ID and pass the ID r.id.layout. Now just go to expand method, and we create an int variable, so int v, and we will give it in conditional assignment. So first we will give a condition, so detail text dot get visibility equal to gone. So I am just checking that if its visibility is gone, then we will make the visibility as visible. So just type visible. It is not giving any suggestion, so I need to type full name. So view dot visible, and if this is not true, then we will make this constant as gone, visibility gone. So now we call transition manager and set a transition to the layout. So we need to pass the layout here, and we need to pass an transition effect here. So I pass auto transition, so I will call the constructor new auto transition. This error is because of the version. Just press alt enter and create an annotation. Now we just change the visibility to V. So detail text dot set visibility and pass visibility as V here. So now just run our app and check it is working or not. So let me start the AVD. So my AVD is starting now. Okay. So our app is launched successfully. Now just click on this demo and you see here it is working. Now although it is working, but as we have seen the demo that this layout changes is also very smooth, so we need to add that animations also. So for that we just add an changing type animation to this layout. So layout dot get layout transition, get layout transition, and enable transition type as changing. So transition type changing. Now just go to XML file and add a attribute in this linear layout as animate layout changes and pass through here. Okay. Now just apply the changes and it is building the project. So applying changes for now, and here it is. So our changes is applied for now. Now just click on this card view and you see this a very smooth animation and transition is there. Thanks for watching our tutorial. Visit our blog. This is the URL codevedanam.blogspot.com. And if you like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe to Code Vedanam for further new videos. Thank you.